Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Viagogo tickets. The first thing you need to do is to go to Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your account credentials if prompted. Once logged in, click on the profile tab in the top right corner of the homepage and be provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select My Hub. And that's going to take you into the My Hub area. In the My Hub area, navigate to the left-hand menu and you're going to see a couple of options in here. From this option, select My Others. Now, this My Others section displays all the tickets that you have purchased, both current and past. Now, browse through your orders to find the tickets you wish to download. Once you've found the ticket, click on the specific order to open the ticket details. Once you do that, look for the download tickets button or link within the ticket order details. Then click on the button to initiate the download process. The tickets will be saved in PDF format to your device's default download folder. If the tickets are not immediately available for download, Viagogo may email them to you once they are ready. Open the email from Viagogo, which will include a link to download your tickets. Locate the downloaded PDF file on your device and open it to confirm that all details are correct. Then ensure the ticket includes essential information such as the event name, date, time, and barcode. Save the ticket securely on your device for easy access. And if required by the event, print the ticket on paper to present it at the venue. If you experience problems downloading your tickets, just go to customer support in the My Hub menu and submit a query. You can also refer to View FAQ section for additional guidance. I'd like you to note a couple of things. Ensure you download the tickets well before the event date to avoid last-minute issues. Some tickets may only become available closer to the event date, depending on the event organizer's release policies. This guide ensures you can efficiently download your tickets using Viagogo. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.